I thought you mean 3.
Oh,
Did
yeah.
someone join? Did
No,
someone
I
join?
just started recording.
Oh.
So we'll just pick up where we left off last time, and then if anyone joins a little bit late, I'll just get them caught up. Okay. So last time, if you want to go ahead and switch your tab to the ball game. Oh, for some reason it doesn't show me your tab. Like it just shows this screen, and I'm not able to see your scratch. See. Can you actually go back to your Google Meet and then where it says you are presenting, can you say share your entire screen?
Show my entire screen?
Yeah.
I don't have that. It's Korean, so I'll just keep trying everything until it's the whole screen.
And then go to your scratch game and click on the other tab. Okay, yeah, perfect. That works. Okay. So let's see. Try running yours so I can just see where up till where you are.
Isn't it already done?
And try dropping the ball. Like, don't hit it. Okay, yeah, we just have like one more thing to do. So code for the paddles. So click on the paddle right here.
I did.
Okay, and we have one flag clit set lives to 5. Good. We're gonna create. Okay, we have player lives. That's for all variables. Okay, good. And then go into the ball code.
Oh god.
Under the last if touching, like at the very bottom of this loop. At the very bottom of the loop.
Like right here?
Yeah, right there. We need to change what happens if they go below the certain point. So see how the lives don't change it, like every time. So we can test a bunch of different values, but at least for mine, I believe if it goes below a certain level, we want it to change the point, like change the lives by 1. So we're going to take another if statement right here. If, and then put that right underneath, see, like right here. Yeah, right there. And then we're going to say if the ball's y position is less than a certain number. So if it's we're going to use a green operator, and then y position is under motion, one of the blue ones. Yeah, use the less than if y position is less than. And then we're going to use a blue motion tile and click on the one that says y position. Yep, if y position is less than, we can try negative 150, but depending on where your paddle is, it might be a little different, so we can test some different values. If the ball position is less than negative 150, we want to lose a life. So which variable should we update?
Events?
Go into the orange variables circle, like the second from the last. Yeah, so which one of those do we update? Brick X, bricks Y, my variable, player lives?
Change player lives to by 1.
Okay.
Is it?
Yep. Do we want it to be positive 1 or do we want it to go down by 1, right?
Oh, down by 1.
So would we use positive 1 or negative 1?
Like negative.
Negative, yeah. Oh, we can use negative 1.
I'm gonna try to play it.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna see how it works. Okay. Whoa. Negative 11. Why is it like that?
Oh, that's wrong.
Oof.
Oh, okay. Stop the game and then press start again. Okay, so the
When it touches the
balls.
ground, it's just. I think we
Okay,
need to
so
stop it.
what you need to do is kind of figure out where your ball is. So for me, when I play it, I'll just show you what happens when I play it. Okay, so mine doesn't go down enough. So my Y position, let's see, when we start it, I want to see if it goes. Yeah, if it says the negative 150. So what you have to do is stop your game and then look at the ball code. So see these two numbers right here, the X equals and Y equals?
Yeah.
So just drag your ball down and drag it right below the paddle to see what the number is, and then choose that number. Because it'll be different for each one of ours.
Okay.
And what number do you get? Let's see. Y is equal to negative 164. Okay, so scroll down in your code and then change yours to negative 164.
Negative 164. What about yours? What was yours?
Mine was negative 150.
Negative 150?
Yeah. Actually, mine was negative 160. Yeah.
Why doesn't anyone come to our class today except for me?
I don't know. Maybe they're running a little bit late. Okay, so let's try playing it. We'll see if they lose any lives.
Okay, I'll try.
4. Okay.
Oh, it's going through.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait, what do you mean it's going through?
So when I play it, it goes like right there.
Okay. Have your Okay, I think what you need to do is have your paddle start a little bit lower. So go into the code for your paddle. And then scroll up a little bit on your code. Okay. And then drag the paddle like on the stage, just drag it a little bit down to wherever you want it to be. Yeah, that could be good. And now play it again. Okay.
The player is not losing lives.
Try to like intentionally lose, like try to let the ball drop.
Okay. See, it's not losing it.
It doesn't lose lives. Okay. Um. Okay, then let's go back to the ball. Let's see why it's not having us lose lives. Then maybe change your X position to like negative. Actually, wait. Go back to the paddle. Go back to the paddle. Negative 140. Does the Y position say negative 145 or 143?
Which one?
For the paddle? Like it's right underneath the stage. There should be something with an arrow that says Y.
I don't get what you mean.
Okay, wait, take a look at my screen real quick.
Yep.
See right here on the paddle, there should be some numbers right here.
Oh. Right here.
Yeah, so what is that number?
90.
Oh no, the number above that. It says like negative 145, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. So then what we want to say is go into the ball code again. We're going to say if the position is less than negative 145. Okay, now let's try it and see. And try to drop it a few times. Okay, it's going down quite a lot. So what we'll do is, it looks like it doesn't update every time you start. So in the code for the paddle, go to the paddle code. Set player's lives to 5. Okay. Why does it not start at 5? Stop your game and start it. It doesn't look like it ever updates the lives to restart.
What do you mean?
Okay, 5. It just looks like it's changing the code. Like, see how it goes like immediately to negative 30, negative 40, all of that?
Hmm?
See how the player's lives like goes down really quickly?
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to see why it does that. We'll probably have to test a bunch of different values. So in the
No.
code for the ball, if Y position is less than, let's say negative, let's try negative 130. Okay, and then let's run it again.
Oops.
Okay, and then let's let it fall to see what happens.
Still
Okay,
going
it
fast.
goes down like a lot. Okay. Let's change it back to the value that it was before. I think it was negative
45. Negative 145.
Okay. We'll change lives by 1, and then we'll wait 1 second. That way it doesn't do it too fast. We'll change players' lives by 1. Wait 1 second.
Wait.
It's in the events. Wait 1 second. And actually, before we wait 1 second, let's go back to the original position for the ball. So we'll wait 1 second. And where does it start off at? Wait, I'm gonna stop it, start it. Let's go back to negative 125. Okay, so we're gonna say go to wherever your ball started off at the start of the game. So I'll tell you how you can do that in 1 second. So stop your game and then start it and then stop it immediately. Like, oh yeah, that is where yours starts. Okay. Let's have it go to the position and then wait 1 second.
There. I'm done. I did it.
Switch the wait 1 second and the go to. That way the blue one is above it. Okay, now let's try. Okay.
Go back.
So now it goes back. Okay, that's good. So now actually try playing.
Hold on. Let me try it again.
Yeah, just start it from the start and try playing and just like lose once or twice.
If it hits the ground, it goes back to its place. So better not hit the ball. Oh, it does
Okay.
it. Now
Okay,
let's
cool.
protect this. No one will touch this brick. Oh god. I'm tired already.
Okay, let's make sure we have a fully working game. So you were able to kind of drag the paddle around?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if there's a way we can kind of change that. Okay. Actually, what we'll do is go into your paddle code, and we want it to always start in the same place again. So we are gonna set X to whatever you have for the paddle. So if you take a look at my screen, if you click on the paddle sprite and then click on the go to X, it should show you where that position is. So
Where?
see right under go to random position, there's go to X coordinate, Y coordinate. Here, this one.
Okay, this one.
Yeah, and that one we're just gonna do that so that it goes to the same position every time we start the game. We also want the Y to be okay. The Y is correct, but we'll have the X say 0. That way, it's right in the middle. So we're gonna go to that position and then show. So if we click start, it'll stay in that position. Like that way you won't be able to like drag it around at first. And let's see what happens if you try losing all your lives.
I
Oh,
won though.
you ended up winning. Um, but there's nothing. Let's see. Does it say anything if you lose? Right? It doesn't say anything if you lose, even if you
Two.
right. So
Oh my god, I'm so cold.
we're gonna say if lives is less than 1. Yeah. So go into your stage code. The code for the stage.
Mm.
And then click on the backdrops. Okay, we're gonna make a new one because we let them win, but we don't have one in case they lose. So you can just copy the background, like right click and duplicate it. Right click on the little square where it says backdrop on the left hand side. The one with the 2, the box, like with the trash can on it. Yeah, right click on the second box. Oh, don't delete it. Don't delete it. Just right click on the box.
I have another one.
Oh, wait, yeah. Delete that one. You should duplicate the one that says you win. Yeah. And then change the text to say you lose.
Wait. And text.
You lose. And then click on the arrow.
LOL.
That's funny. Whoever loses is going to get an interesting message. Click on the arrow tool right underneath the blue square. Yeah, and then move it to the center. Perfect.
Oh, this is
So
too
we want
big.
to. Oh yeah, makes it a little bit smaller.
Uh, uh, they're gonna get an interesting message.
Okay, good. I think that one's good. And then we'll go back into the code once we're done with that. And then go ahead into your code. Okay. So we say if bricks destroyed is equal to 42, that's our winning condition. Which one can we use to figure out if we lose? Which variable did we just make?
What?
Which variable can we use to find out if we lost? Are we going to use bricks destroyed or player lives?
Player lives.
Player lives, right? So we're going to say if player lives is less than 1, player lives is less than 1, we're going to broadcast the same thing. We're going to broadcast endgame, but this time instead of switching to the you win backdrop, which backdrop are we going to switch to? Oh, what?
I need to do it. Player lives. Broadcast endgame. And game.
Okay, and then what are we going to, yeah, perfect, endgame. And then see how we said switch backdrop to you win and wait? We're going to do the same thing, except it's going to be the you lose backdrop. So we're going to say switch, actually we have to rename it. Instead of saying you win backdrop, we're going to call it this one you lose. Okay, so we're going to switch backdrop to the you lose backdrop and wait. So right underneath broadcast end game.
Broadcast endgame and wait.
Oh no, not that one. Just the broadcast end game.
Okay.
Broadcast end game. And then switch backdrop to lose backdrop and wait. In looks. It's in the purple ones.
Oh, what?
Oh, so you can use the slider to change the backdrop. So go back into the code and see the arrow next to you win. Yeah. And choose the one that's you lose. And we're going to say and wait for that one. You win, and then change the name to say you lose. Okay, and let's try it out. Let's see what happens when we run it. And let's try to lose on purpose.
I gotta do this. Oh no. Why is it not working?
What's happening with yours? Okay.
It's not switching to you lose.
Oh, it's not switching to you lose. Why? Let's see. Go into your backdrops code. If players' lives is less than 1, okay. And then go to the ball code, players' lives. Wait, try running it again. I just want to see what happens. Why does it do that?
It's not.
Okay, it goes into negative. That's so strange. Can I see your variables? Like click onto the variables.
What?
Try again maybe? Weird. Go to the C project page. Right next to share, there's a button that says C project page. I'll show you which button it is. It's this one. Wait, take a look at my screen so you can see which page. This button right here. And see if you can now try again. No, still no. Well, click share.
What share?
The orange button, share, next to your game title. Sharing project. Okay, and click share again.
The project is not shared, so only you can see it.
Yeah, click the share button.
I am.
Why it's not doing that? Shared. Is it your Wi-Fi's gotta be working? Yeah. Click see inside. Try saying download. Oh, that just does that. Okay, that just downloads the game.
Then how do I undownload it?
Just press the X, yeah. Okay, let's try making a different change and see if it'll work.
Oh my god!
Okay, wait. Just try adding some block or just changing like one small thing, like even like the name of your sprite or something, and see if it'll change, like save. Like you can just call it like paddle 1 or something.
It still does not work.
Oh, okay, wait. Change it back to paddle.
Let's see. No, I'm so bad.
Oh yeah, it was PADDLE. Yeah.
Done.
Oh, and then click save now. Hold on, wait. Try changing something else, and then instead of clicking the try again, try clicking the save now. So just
Where's
like
the save now?
you have to make a change first. Like you have to edit something first, and then it'll let you do that. So like you can just add something random. Like you could literally just like move one block, and then it'll let you. Okay, now click save now.
It still can't save. This is a.
That's weird, but when you go to the project page, does it let you play it like normal?
Oops.
Yeah, click login.
Whoops. Our server is scratching its head.
Click sign in. And then yeah.
Oh god. It's back.
Okay. Now I think it's probably saved because it doesn't say like save now or anything like that. But try running it. Let's see why it wasn't working. You still get negative lives, right?
Yeah.
Let me see. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Go into the ball code.
Hold on, it needs to get out of there first. Please don't be the win. Oh, what?
You lose. Oh, okay, wait. So, go to the ball code.
No, I think I need to do the stage code. Switch it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that one's not finished, so that's why. So go into the code again.
Go into the code.
Yeah, that one's good. Go to the code for the stage code. Yeah, that one. And then so if players' lives is less than 1, switch backdrop to... Oh, okay, wait, this is strange. If bricks destroyed is equal to 20, switch backdrop to... Okay, we're going to say you win backdrop, not you lose backdrop.
There's you win backdrop too.
Yeah, okay. Wait, change that one to say you lose, but the one above it should say you win. So that one should say you lose. The lose one. Yep, and the one above it should say you win. Okay, now let's try it out and see.
Let's lose. Darn it, why does it keep passing my paddle?
2, 1.
It's still not working. I'll let it get the blocks now.
Okay, wait, but try actually like winning now. It doesn't even let you hit the blocks anymore. Okay, it does let you hit the blocks.
What?
You lose. Why? Bricks destroyed.
You win?
Okay. Yeah, that's the right one. You win. And then you lose is the one that says you lose. Okay.
This is so confusing.
Okay, I'm sure it's probably something that we aren't seeing. So let's go back to the brick code. And then go into the code. Okay, let's look. Scroll down just slightly. Okay. Keep scrolling down a little bit. Okay. Start as a clone, change lives. Yeah, leave the hide where it was. Okay. Everything looks right here. Let's look at the ball code. Gotta be a mistake in the ball code then. Okay. Go to and wait 5 seconds. Scroll up a little bit. Okay, it's all in the forever loop. And then scroll down. Okay. Okay, wait. Stay down. Yeah. Change players' lives by -1. Let me see what's different between yours and mine. Go to the paddle code. Let's see where you set the lives equal to something. Set player lives equal to 5. Okay, move your, so the go-to, instead of keeping that with the player lives, move that so that it's right above the show block. Yeah, just drag that. Yeah. Okay, so that's the same for both of us. Okay, and then wait 5 seconds. If touching. Okay, and then go into your ball code. I'm just going to compare it with mine to see what's changing. Okay. One. Okay. Wait 1 second. Okay, and then go into your brick code. Oh, I see. It's because you have. Okay. If brick. Oh no, that's correct. Um. Brick Live. Stop this script. Okay. And finally, go back into your backdrop code, the stage code. Bricks destroyed. Player lives. Oh, okay. Instead of saying switch backdrop to you lose, let's say switch backdrop to you lose backdrop and wait. And then just make sure that the backdrops have the same names as the ones that we had here. So click on backdrops and you should be able to see. Oh, if players' lives equals, you also have to broadcast end game. So right before you say you lose backdrop, let's broadcast end game. It's under events, the yellow one. Yeah. Okay, now let's try it and see. What? It still lets you go to 0? Okay. Why? Can I see all your variables? Maybe you have a duplicate variable. So click onto variables. Okay. Okay, you know what? Just to make it a little simpler, what we can do is we can hide brick X and brick Y for now. So click on the check marks and uncheck the boxes for brick X and brick Y. On the left side, see there's a blue check mark next to brick X and brick Y. Uncheck those where it says variables on the left side. Yep, and go a little bit up. You'll see those blue boxes. Oh wait, let me just show you my code. Take a look at my screen. So see these? We want to uncheck them.
Okay.
Okay, but actually we want to keep bricks destroyed and we want to keep player lives. Those are the two we want to keep. Okay, and then go into the brick, the code for the brick. Yeah, click on that. And then click onto variables. Let's see, brick. And then we'll also uncheck brick lives. Do you not have brick lives? Oh wait, did you just? Did the brick code get deleted? Wait, Jasmine, are you still there?
Yeah.
Did the brick code just get deleted? I don't see that sprite there anymore.
What? Did it?
Maybe. Okay, wait. So X out of the Scratch game. Don't let it save. Otherwise, it's probably gonna mess it up.
Right here?
Yeah, just X out of that. And then go back to Scratch. Hopefully it didn't save that. Okay. Okay, so just take out, so in variables, take out brick X and brick Y. Uncheck those, brick X, brick Y. Brick Y. Okay. And then let's also take out brick lives. Okay, and then just move those two variables up to the top, like on your screen. On the stage, you can just click and drag those two bars that
Which one?
on the screen, you see how there's this gray bar that says bricks destroyed, and then it says 20 in orange?
Yeah.
On the actual screen? Yeah, just drag those up to the top corner. Yeah. And let's try running it again to see.
It still doesn't do the you lose.
Okay, let's see. Live if touching, then change lives by -1, change color effect, wait 0.1 seconds. I'm gonna go through every line of your code, so let's see. If brick lives is equal to 0, change brick by 1, stop the script, okay. Go into the code for your ball. And scroll down. Scroll through yeah. Change players' lives by -1. Okay, that's correct. Why is it not? You know what? How about what we do is, it looks like something's going on with the player life, so we can delete that variable. Just go onto the variables and right click on players lives and delete it. Yeah, just say delete it, and it'll remove those boxes, and we'll make a new variable. We'll just remake it. We'll see maybe if there was some sort of issue. Let's just call it player lives. Player lives. And then for all sprites. For all sprites. Okay. Now let's go into the code for the paddle. When this sprite, okay. Players lives was the one you had before, right? So delete that variable.
I did, but how did it get back here?
Oh, okay. So I think it was different for other ones. So delete that one. And then make sure it's deleted in every, so click on stage.
Nope.
Delete players lives. Okay. And then click on brick. Delete. Okay, good. No, wait, don't delete that one. Don't delete that one. And then click on ball. Okay, good. And then, okay, let's go back to paddle. So I think there was just an issue with the variable because it looked like it wasn't saved for all the sprites. So when flag clicked, set player lives to 5. So we're gonna set, yeah, we're gonna use the set one, and then we're gonna change it to player lives, and we're gonna set it to 5. Okay, and then we're gonna go into the ball code, and then if y position is less than -145, we're gonna change player lives by -1.
Dang, what?
Take one of the orange change ones. Yeah, change, and then put that right above the blue block. Yeah, there. And then change it to player lives and make it -1.
Hold on, can I go do something?
Yeah, sure.
I'm back. Miss?
Oh, are you back?
Yeah.
Okay, so change lives. So go back to your ball game.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're on the code for ball. Change player lives by -1. Okay, perfect. And then go on to the code for the brick. That looks good. And then let's go on to the stage code. Okay, change. Okay. If, and then we're gonna say if player lives is less than 1. So it's one of the variables. Wait, you don't need that one because we already have that one made. We just need to put player lives in that green circle.
Ah,
Okay, now let's try it and see
Miss,
if it
you're
works.
the only one in this class right now?
Yeah, it looks like Min isn't here today.
Sad. Before last class, we had a lot of people though.
Yeah.
Somehow they're gone.
Yeah, maybe they couldn't make it today.
They couldn't even make it last
Yeah.
game. Uh, uh what? When did this get here?
I don't know how that got there. But let's try running the code. Let's see. And let's try to lose on purpose this time. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nope.
No.
Why is coding so hard? But fun.
Why?
It's hard but fun. Are you okay? Are you cut off? Hello? Miss? What? Are you there?
Hello?
Oh, finally, I can hear you.
Oh, okay. I think it just the audio and video cut off. That was so weird. Okay.
Your video is always off, so of course.
Yeah, I meant the screen sharing cut off.
Oh. I was wondering what happened to you.
Yeah.
I'm so cold. Oh my god.
Okay. Let's see what is happening. Okay. If bricks destroyed is equal to 20. Yeah, just go ahead back to your ball game. If bricks destroyed is equal to 20, broadcast end game. Good. Switch backdrop to you lose backdrop. Okay. Yeah. Let's try.
Wait, miss.
Yeah.
I think we should change this number around. That's why.
What would you want to change it to?
I don't know, like 0 or -1.
But it should work if it's less than okay. How about instead of if lives is less than 1, we're gonna change it to if lives is equal to 0. So let's change the green box to something else.
Okay.
And instead of less than, we're gonna use an equals.
Equal
So let's say if player lives is equal to 0.
1. Oh, 0. And then player lives. Right there.
Okay, let's try it and see.
I hope it works.
I hope so too.
Why does it always go through? That's weird. Oh, it doesn't work!
Okay. Paddle. Okay, how about let's do when flag clicked, and then we're gonna put a forever loop inside here.
Where?
In the code for the paddle. Right here, and then we're gonna add a forever loop. Control forever. And then we'll say if player lives is equal to 0, then we're
That's
going to
if then.
yeah. We're gonna say forever and then an if then. If player lives is equal to 0, then we're gonna stop the game. Let's see if
Okay.
that will work for you.
Forever if then equals to what again?
Equals 0?
0 player lives. Like this, right?
Mm-hmm. Then
I
what
gotta add something here.
we're gonna stop this script. Yeah.
Stop this script, and that one's on control. Stop.
Okay, so it says stop all, but we can change that to stop this script. Okay, and then actually what we can do is instead of keeping it in one place, we're gonna put that inside its own when flag clicked, just in case.
Its
So
own.
just like that. We're just separating it from the rest of the code.
Oh, okay. Events. When flag click.
Okay, and then we're gonna right click and duplicate that and then put that into the code for the ball as well.
This one?
Yeah, in fact, if you don't want to duplicate it, we can just rewrite it inside the ball code. That's okay. You don't have to do that.
No, duplicating is more better. Oh God,
Yeah, sometimes it's a bit tricky.
where's the duplicating?
Yeah,
Aha!
sometimes.
No, never mind. Where's the duplicate?
Yeah, I find that sometimes it doesn't work well. So we can just type it again because it's like only a few lines of code.
No, I want to duplicate it. I'm
Okay.
too lazy. Oh wait, I didn't duplicate the. How do you put it in the ball code though?
Yeah, let go once that square starts kind of shaking a little, then let go of it.
And then there's the ball.
Yeah, and then let go of the ball as well.
Where?
Yeah, just let go of it anywhere. Okay, and now see if it came in somewhere.
Nope.
Ah, hmm. Then I guess, oh, that one I think was the same, right? So let's, oh wait, we want to keep that the same. We don't want to change those.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to move it lower.
Oh, okay. Then I guess in that case we can just retype it. It's just a few lines.
I know. I just wanted to duplicate it because I'm lazy. So when flagged is click, I think I can do it by myself.
Okay, and it's some good
Forever,
practice.
forever, if then operators equal 0, variables, player lives, events. Hold on. Hello. Stop this script. Do 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 do. And there we go. Now I'm gonna play it.
Okay, and let's see if it will work now.
Okay. It's 0, and now I'm -1, and now -2, and now -3, and now -4.
Oh no, okay, let's stop it then.
This is so stuck.
Set player lives to 5. If player lives is equal to 5, stop this script.
What is wrong? I don't know what is wrong.
Maybe try playing it without dragging the paddle, because remember how it's based on where the paddle is? So just try it without 2, 1. Uh, okay, wait. Can we stop the script for the ball too? Did we do that for? I'm not stopping the script. Then let's just say stop all. Instead of stop this script, we're gonna say stop all. Okay, let's try again. Oh, actually, you know what? We don't want to say stop all because that will also
This
stop the
was,
backdrop. So let's not do that.
oh my god, this was over here. Stacked.
Yeah, let's delete those duplicates. Yeah, delete that one. And then go into the ball. Let's just keep it stop this script because I don't want it to mess up the other stuff. And then ball stop this script instead of stop all.
60 more minutes, which is 1 hour. Question.
Mm-hmm.
Why does this class has to be 2 hours?
That's just how they've made it. It's
But
usually enough
why?
time to get through the debugging of an entire project.
2 hours?
Uh-huh. Usually usually we have more students, right? So between every few minutes I have to check on yours or I have to check on Min's or someone else's screen. So usually that takes up the whole 2 hours looking at everybody's.
That's true. So true. But I still can't believe that I'm the only student here.
Yeah, I don't know.
My mom says I can never ever miss any class. That's why I'm always here.
Well, I'm glad that you're here for the class today. Let's see if we can, hopefully we'll be able to learn something new once we figure this out, why that's happening.
I'm sad for Min.
Oh yeah, he is kind of missing the end of the game. Next time he can catch up, probably.
Sure. He does have 2 computers.
Yep.
Oh my god, this is so big.
I just want to go back into your variables and make sure that you only have one player lives variable.
Yeah, I only
Okay, yeah, you do.
look and then look put
Set break lives to 2, set break y. If,
my variable. Why did it destroyed? I
okay.
still have brick lives, but this one it's deleted.
Which one is deleted?
I
Oh,
have
I mean,
brick.
we didn't delete it. We want to keep that there. We just didn't want it showing up on the screen because that one's not really relevant to the player.
Oh wait, this one is just for this block. So
Yeah.
of course. Okay, so I'm fine. I'm
Yeah,
fine
let's
now.
look at your stage.
No, there's no stage player's life.
I'm not really sure that every single part of your code is the same as mine because I am not sure why you should even be getting that error. Okay, yes, see there. Show set lives to set player lives to 5.
Oh god.
If player lives is equal to 0, and stop the script. Correct. Okay.
Wait, what?
No, I'm just reading through every bit of your code. And then click on the ball code.
Ball? Ball.
Okay.
So big.
Go show player direction, move 5 steps, yeah. And if player lives is equal to player lives is equal to 0, stop this script. Okay, and then go into your brick code.
Brick. Okay.
And then finally the backdrops code.
Find a way in the backdrop. What?
The stage code, yeah. And instead of equals 0, let's make it less than -1, or less than 1, I mean, sorry.
This one?
Yeah, so instead of using the equals, just drag that to the side and use one of the green operators and make it less than 1.
Thing. What?
Click on the green operators, that green circle on the left side of your screen.
Operators.
Yep. And then instead of, we're going to use the less than 50. Yeah, that one. The second one. Yep. And then remove the player lives and put that into the left side.
Oof.
Oh. Yeah, you can just delete the 0 one. Yeah, and then put that back in.
Like that?
And then, yeah. And then instead of less than 50, we're going to say less than 1.
Less than -1 or 1?
1. Just 1. And then, do we get the when I receive broadcast anywhere? So let's look at the ball code. See the when I receive. Oh, okay. Let's say when I receive. Yeah. Let's make a new event. So under events, like the yellow circle, say when I receive end game.
And I receive end game.
Uh,
Where?
yeah, just right there. And when I receive end game,
Hold on.
we can say stop this script.
Let me just move these up. There. I stop. What?
Stop this script. The script, and then click on the stage one, like the stage code. End game, broadcast end game. Okay. And then click on events.
Oh my god.
Okay, yeah, you did create end game. Let's go into the brick code, and when I receive end game, we're going to remove all the bricks. So go into the brick code,
Mm.
and then say when I receive end game. When I receive end game, scroll down. You keep scrolling down to where it talks about the clones. There should be like delete. Yeah. And not create clone. We want to say delete this clone. Okay. And let's try again. Let's run it and see what happens.
It. It's gonna win. Hold on. Let's see if it wins, and then hold on.
Yeah,
It's one -1 already.
I
Let's see
know.
the sign when it wins. When it wins, it says sorry.
Oh, okay, wait. Does it wait 1 second before it switches the backdrop?
I'm not sure.
Fast end game. Okay.
Hold on.
Let's not say and wait. Let's just switch the backdrop. Let's not wait.
I think it's supposed to be like this way. Two, three. Let's try that. Code. Let's try that. The games I played are easier than this. The coding ones is easier. But this one, this coding is very hard. It's touching this block, but it's not doing anything.
It sometimes it won't hit if you don't hit it hard enough. So it looks like it's okay. You
Finally,
win.
it says you win.
Okay, so yeah, you did win.
But then what
Okay,
if
and
you
now
lose?
let's try losing. Let's play a little and then let's lose. So let's like actually try to destroy some bricks and then let's lose.
Okay, now we have to lose. I know we're gonna win now.
I know.
So, oh darn! I'm not supposed to do that. Now I gotta protect this thing. How does it? When it touches this, it wins. When it touches this plus, it wins.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes.
Try stopping your code and dragging it to that thing at the start.
What do you mean?
Like whatever you touch to make it win. Try touching that again.
This?
Oh, I mean like start the game again. Start the game again. And then touch it again. But I don't get what are those little lines up at the top of your screen.
I think those are more bricks or something. Lose, 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 lose. Okay, it's 1. We only need 1 more. See?
Oh, when it touches those, it destroys those bricks?
Yes. See? It doesn't destroy it because it didn't. Oh my god! The you lose ones doesn't work.
Yeah.
I think we need to start not duplicate it, but add another one. Could I try that?
Yeah, you could try that.
Just and
So
then
click on the plus sign at the bottom left. Yeah. And then click on paint and
paint
add some text. Yeah, let's call it you lose instead of
3. J lose. You lose. Now let's type it. Okay. Now let's make it bigger. Oh, that's too wide. I think this is the place. Is this good enough?
Yeah, I think that's good enough. And then
Let's play it now.
wait, let's make sure that it goes to the correct backdrop, like the name is correct.
Ah, yeah. Use backdrop 3.
Yep.
It's the same thing. It's the same name, so
Okay.
you win. Let's see if it actually changes.
Can we switch the broadcast or the switch backdrop in the broadcast? Let's switch the backdrop and then let's end the game. So see in the code for the backdrops, let's switch those two blocks.
Like that?
Yeah, and then instead of saying and wait, let's just switch the backdrop and not say and wait.
So take this out and then do this like that.
Mhm.
Hope to God this works. Okay, save limits as last now. Darn it! Ah! This
All of your
stupid game.
are all of your sprites centered? Like in the costumes? Are they all centered?
I'm going AFK for a moment.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Just chatted with my mom. Okay, so what did you say?
Are all of your sprites centered?
Centered?
Uh-huh.
My brick is not centered for some reason.
Your what? Okay, yeah, let's have that centered.
This arrow is not. This arrow is not in the middle.
Oh, I know. You just have to minimize your screen.
Oh,
So like,
oh! This is the thing. This is the thing. This is the thing that was blocking it. The line.
okay. Let's delete that.
How do I delete? Delete.
Okay.
Yes, I figured it out. So do I just leave it in the middle or just?
Or have it centered. That would be better.
I don't know where the center is.
Oh, where that plus sign was, where that little target was. Yeah. Right on there. Perfect. And if you minimize your screen, like click on the magnifying arrow, like but the minimize one.
Uh-huh.
See
Oh
there?
god.
Now it's in the center. So let's run it again and see.
Oh god. It looks more like not non-outlined. Why? Oh my god, it's not working. Oh, oh. Why did this? How did this change? It was right here and then now it's.
What do you mean? Oh, that's just supposed to be the position like in the vector chart, but its position on the screen is different. So it's supposed to stay centered.
It's so close. What? Oh, oh. Okay. I don't know what this is. Oh my god. How much minutes do we have left?
Like 20.
Eh.
Is your project shared? Can you have your project shared? That way I can take a look at it even when we're outside of class just so I can see what happened to it. And then can you copy the link and paste it in the chat?
I shared it already.
Okay, and let me see.
Congratulations on sharing your project. Other people
All game.
can now try it out. Give comments and links it.
I don't think I see yours. Like if I search my app on Scratch? Or I mean if I search yours up on Scratch.
Hold on.
Uh, yeah, can you copy the link to your project? See where it says copy link? It's the blue button. Yeah, copy link. Click copy link and then just send that in the chat so I can like see your project. Okay. side. What is different between yours and mine? Okay. Player lives equals 0. Stop the script. Set player lives to 5. Your variables. Okay. Show set mouse to mouse X. Okay. We're going to player lives equals 0. Stop the script. Wait 5 seconds. Move 5 steps if on edge bounce. If touching. Create a clone of yourself. Okay, good. That was right. We change and we hide. We set break lives equal to 2. Okay. Technical. Change break lives by 1. Change color effect. Break lives is equal to 0. Hide. Change. Okay. And stop that script. That's correct too. Okay. I'm trying to run yours to see if I can figure out what's happening. For me, it looks like it works when you lose. Wait, I'll share you my screen. I just saw your game. Wait, can you, on your game, can you go to the see inside? Yeah, click on see inside of your game. And then click see inside. Okay, and then for the backdrops code, click on backdrops, like the stage code. Okay, and then what I want you to do is switch the broadcast. Yeah. Forever. Okay. Switch broadcast endgame and you lose backdrop. Switch those two. Yeah. Now try, because for me it worked when I did that. So say save now. Oh, don't forget to click save now, otherwise it might not save your changes. Okay, yeah, now try again. What? Okay, wait. Take a look at my screen, okay? I just share my entire screen, share. Okay, this is your game, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And look, I'm gonna play it.
You gotta lose.
Yeah. See? It shows that you lose if you lose. I'm not sure why it doesn't work. Oh yeah, it just does that because when I come back onto the screen, how do we do this? Okay. You lose. I'm trying to see what could possibly be happening that your game literally works on my screen, but it doesn't work on yours. 4, 3, 2, 1. You lose. Sorry, not sorry. Okay. Project saved as a remix. Okay. Let's see. Does it work again? I'm gonna see if I can like remix it and then send it back to you and see if that might solve any glitch. 2, 1, 0. Okay. See project page. I'm gonna share it. Copy link. Okay. Yeah, at least it works. So just remix. Click on the link I sent and there's a bug in the game. Yeah, just click on the remix link that I sent and remix it yourself. So click on that and then remix the remix. And then go to project page. And then stop sharing your screen because I think it causes a lag. And try playing it. Okay. And don't share your screen. And once you play it, let me know if it works now. Oh, and try to intentionally lose to see if the you lose comes up. It works? Oh, yay, I'm so glad that it works. I think it could have just been some sort of weird glitch with like the original game. So now that we remixed it, I don't even know why you had to remix it. But yay, I'm glad that you did that. So share the project. Yeah. Share the project. Okay. Yeah, in the notes you can just put like had to remix it to make it work. Okay, perfect. So we have like 15 minutes left. We can start.
Miss?
Yeah?
My screen is glitching now.
Your screen is? Okay.
My whole screen. It's
Stop
flashing
screen.
black and red.
Oh, Yeah,
Oh,
stop screen sharing and then reshare again to see
there we
if
go.
it'll work.
Also, how do I unshare it? My regular one?
Can you like reshare your screen again? That way I can see where you are.
Oh wait, I see a button that says unshare.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, let me see the new one to see if it's good.
Yeah, make sure that it works completely.
So I'm gonna lose now.
Yeah, lose. Let's see if that works.
Okay, now that works. But let me try
Okay.
win now to see if the win works. Okay, this is hard. A little. Ah!
Were you playing the Wii
One.
theme music?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the remix. Oh yay, you win works too.
Great. I'm so glad that it works. So I think this just kind of shows that sometimes you have to think of like really innovative ways to solve your code. Like I wouldn't have thought that a remix would make it work, but I guess since there was no issue with your actual code, sometimes it just kind of acts up. So just like finding those different ways to figure out the code really helps.
Miss,
Yeah.
should I delete the one that doesn't do you lost, sorry not sorry?
Yeah. Delete that other one. That way it doesn't get too confusing.
Okay, hold on. Login view, login view. Okay, delete. Projects move to trash. Oh, I got a mail or something.
Oh, it just
Uh,
shows when like I remix your project.
where's my trash can? I wanna unsure trash. Oh, I found my trash. Oh, cold one. Empty trash. There we go. I deleted it.
Great.
How much minutes do we have more left?
We have like 15, 20 minutes
Oh
left.
my god, wait, how do you do the um how do you do the it says like something like the lyrics below on your screen? How do you do that?
Oh, you mean the captions on my screen?
Yeah, I want that too. My brother has
Okay,
one and I want
so
to do it.
click on the three dots on your screen, like at the bottom,
Got it.
more options, and then turn on captions.
Captions. I think my caption is there captions now?
Try sharing your entire screen because I can't see your screen right now.
Oh, yes, I got captions. Yes.
So yeah, the captions are helpful because sometimes if there's a lot of different students and they're all speaking at the
Over.
same time, it helps. That way
That's
you can hear who's talking.
my brother does that. He's like
Okay.
whenever everyone's chatting in his class,
Mhm.
he turns on the captions.
Oh,
It's so cool.
it's helpful too. Okay.
Helpful and cool.
hmm
Dabs.
Sometimes they're not completely accurate, uh, but it's good enough.
Very helpful.
Yep. So let's see. We finished that game. We just have a little bit of time. If we want, we can just barely go ahead and start the next game. So
No. I'm
well, go
too
ahead and share your
lazy now.
screen.
Wait, I think I am already. Wait, am I already sharing my screen? Oh, wait, never mind. I'm not. Share my screen. Am I sharing now?
Yeah.
Goody.
Okay. Let me just 1 second.
The captions for the word goody is so cute. Oh my god.
Oh, it is cute. Let's see. Today we finished the musical memory game.
I'm gonna post
Breakout.
something in this.
Okay. Next class, what do we want to do?
Oh my god. Please log in. I need to log in.
What?
I need to log in this thing.
Oh yeah, the forum.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want, you can post your completed game in there. That way people can see it.
How? Oh yeah, I
Okay.
just share the things.
And then it's already shared. So then say see project page. And then copy link.
Copied.
Link. And then you can just actually, if you want, instead of replying to it, you can make a whole new post. Instead of
No, I'm posting.
Yeah, instead of having it as a reply, just make a whole new post that way.
How do I
Okay, so go back. Let me click onto the forum so I can kind of
add?
help you navigate.
I'm sharing my screen, right?
Yeah. Okay, so scroll up.
Scroll up.
Scroll up, and then scratch game design. And then you can say add topic.
Add topic.
Yep, and then you can just say like scratch breakout game. Oh, we can keep the title brief. So that part can go in the description. So we can just have the new game as part of your title, and then that other stuff can go into the description probably.
Yeah, sure. Here's my new game.
Mm-hmm.
Paste. Where's that paste?
Yep. And then it would be super cool if you like write what do you think we learned about this time.
I need to space a lot. Oh wait, I could just enter. I'm such an idiot. Enter.
So some of the things that we looked at this time were, what kind of concepts did we learn? Let's see. Okay. Let's see. We used a lot of sensing, right? And we used some loops.
Yeah.
What else did we use? What was that thing called? This will be a good thing. What was the block called where we send a message?
I don't know. I forgot.
Oh wait, look back into your code and see. It was a yellow block. When we sent a message, it was called something.
Sequence.
Uh,
What was it called? When flagged.
when I receive end game, but there was another one. Oh, click onto the stage backdrops. That might help you.
Broadcast end game.
Yeah, so we learned broadcasting, right? And then broadcast would be spelled what?
Loop. Hold on, I'm gonna mute myself.
Mhm.
Wait, I can just say loop and then it just show up, right?
What should show up?
Never mind.
Loops and broadcasting or whatever else that we learned.
Broad. 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 Cast. I'm gonna mute myself now.
Well, I mean, you worked hard on that as well. You definitely did work on it. I would say that you fixed that problem. We went through a lot of stuff together. So I think you should take credit for fixing it. You can say like at the end of the game it was able to get fixed. Yep. Because we did go through, remember when you were talking about the positions, remember? You were able to look at that and you found out that the costumes were kind of different.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you did a lot of like error handling.
Switching everything.
Yep. Sometimes that has to be done. And then you can say add topic to post it.
Hold on. Alexa. I have no Alexa. Let me just mute my. Oh my god! What happened?
Oh, did you close the tab or something?
No, and now it's gone. I don't know. Oh god.
Oh,
Okay.
it might be a different window. So drag your screen a little bit down.
I don't need this. And I'm not gonna share my screen anymore. Okay, so I think this is fine. So I'll just do it this way. Never mind, I'll just add it there. Ah! This is so confusing. I think I am fine with this. Now, I'm gonna mute myself now.
Were you able to post your game?
Okay, I'm done now. Is this good?
Okay, let me see. I can't see your screen.
Oh shoot! I forgot. I did not share my screen. Add topic.
Okay, let's see. And
Scratch game design. Oh, why is there an exclamation mark?
awaiting moderation. Oh. I guess your posts have to be like approved, I guess.
Oof. That's an
Okay.
oof for me. I'm gonna X this out and oof.
Okay. And just so that we can just go over the concepts real quick.
What?
Just so that we can go over some of the concepts that we learned real quick. Which part do you think was the hardest for you?
The problem. The problem.
The points, right?
Yeah, the points and the where the you lose sound sign comes in, but it didn't work, so we had to fix that for like almost half the class.
Yep, that debugging took like a really long time. What
At least
else?
we finished it.
Yeah, then we finished it. What else?
I think Min would be very I don't know, frustrated or sad
When?
because I finished it without him and he was left behind. I feel like that will be one of his emotions when he comes for next class.
Oh yeah.
But I don't think he'll come in next class because almost all my classes when the teachers like easy on us, they never come. My friends. I'm like, what?
Well, I'm sure he'll come back. Maybe it's just he couldn't make it today.
Yeah.
Um,
I'm gonna dab if Min doesn't come back next class because I knew it.
oh, well, next class we'll be starting a new game.
I
And
know.
also, throughout the week, if you ever work on any other Scratch projects, or like any other coding projects just on your own, you can feel free to post your questions, even if it's something we didn't do in class. You can post your questions on the forum, and I'll like look at whatever questions you have, and I'll try to help you out with that.
I have another place. Wait, hold on. Oh no, there's no. My account is not here. Well, I have another coding app thingy in the computer. Um, and my favorite coding game to code in that coding game, the app is Dance Party.
What language is it in, or what's the name of the coding app?
Well, let me try to make my account. I'm not sharing my screen, right?
Yeah, you're not.
Okay. Thank God. Next. Yay, I made my account. Okay. Let me get into that now. So I could my teacher sent me it and it's really fun. Do 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 do. Fact was okay. Hour of code.
Oh, Hour of Code. Okay.
Dance party. Can I share my screen to show you it?
Yeah.
Let me X out this first. I don't want you to know my personal thing. This is Hour of Code.
Okay,
Can you
I've
see
heard
it?
of that. Yeah. So what kind of like does it say if it's like a scratch project or something else?
So I start it. Hide. This is a video to help you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I need to get in my age. So this is just like the same thing. Make a new cat in the center, and you can choose
Oh,
your own
okay.
song. That's loud. See?
Oh
Get it
wow.
now?
Okay. So it's basically like an intro to Scratch, kind of?
Yes. A
Oh, okay.
very easy level.
Oh, okay. Good. Um,
I already finished the game.
okay. That's good.
I think we're gonna chat the whole class now.
Well, did you have any last minute questions about the game or about anything?
Nope.
Okay, well, I think we're pretty much done because you finished the game.
And Min is have to do it, and I'm gonna move on to the next game.
Yeah, if there's a lot of students in class next time and if Min has a lot to do, we had most of yours was just debugging. I'm sure if he has a lot of debugging, I'll probably have him do that separately, but hopefully his will work through and then that will probably only take 15 minutes and then we'll start the game next week for everyone. Hopefully we can all be on the same page
If
next week.
Min gets trouble, I will just wait for him. I don't really have to make another game. I just want to do it with someone else.
Okay. Okay.
Is it okay if I leave early?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank
I'll
you.
see you next
Bye.
week.